Hey there, my friend 𝐸𝐸𝐾𝐜 here, and I'm here to share with you my instant cash strategy and how to make money online in 2018. How I'm doing it, how I'm making money online in 2018, what I'm using, and how it's working. Okay, so one of the things that I sat down and did recently was I looked at what businesses I kind of had in my toolbox. What did I need to do to redesign it? And I really redesigned it in a way that really just makes sense. And this is what I call my instant cash strategy. It's been working wonderful for me. So, when you get into the online space, you might have joined several opportunities, but at some point it might become a little bit challenging to market several opportunities, and they don't always fit together. So what I did was I had my biz set up so that it's my business, my marketing system, and my traffic sources. That's it. So my business that I am putting in the front end of my business of my funnel is the email processing system. And the reason why is it's an instant pay program. You can make $25, $50, and $100 commissions, and I've been primarily making $100 commissions. And it's a one-time pay program, so it's easy for other people to partner with me as well, because it's a one-time pay. People don't have to worry about auto ships. They don't have to worry about anything like that, and it's newbie friendly. So a new person can come into this program and using the training that's already packaged with the program. So it's a program packaged with training, and they could start promoting and get in profit mode. Okay. So that's why this is at the front end of my business, the email processing system. Okay. The marketing system that I'm using to promote the email processing system is Power Lead System. And the other reason why I love this marketing system is because there's a commission structure that's tied to this marketing system that allows me to get micro commissions, like $6 commissions, mid-tier commissions, so $20 and $100 commissions, to big ticket commissions of $400. Okay, so I can have $500 days all within the same commission structure while I'm promoting my business. So I'm getting paid through this marketing system, through the commissions, to market my business. So it's a win-win for me because I'm getting paid to market my business. Okay. And then of course, as I help my team members learn to promote, there's pass-up commissions that are going to come up to me. Okay. And same thing for my team. As they learn to help their team members, they're going to get pass-up commissions as well. So it's a win-win. Now, in terms of traffic, people are always looking for low-cost traffic sources that work. And my two favorites are MLM Rod and Least Ad Space. These are both one-time pay programs. So MLM Rod is $15, and you get 100 leads to start, and then after you contact those 100 leads, they'll give you 100 more. Okay, and they not only give you the leads but show you how to contact the leads. And on top of that, it gets better. MLM Rod is truly an endless leads strategy, because here's why. They give you a capture page that every time you share it with somebody, you'll get 5 leads put into your capture, into your back office. So as long as you share that capture page with other people, they're going to give you free leads just for sharing that capture page with people and them opting in. Wow, that's like crazy to get 5 targeted leads every time you share that page with somebody who wants information. Just information. Which is crazy. All right, so you can make $15 commissions every time somebody joins you in MLM Rod at the regular level. And then Least Ad Space is $7 one time, and you can make $7 commissions, and then people can upgrade in Least Ad Space as well. Same thing with MLM Rod, and as long as you're upgraded, you can earn those commissions as well. I am at the I think $24 package in Least Ad Space, so people can upgrade to that level, and then I will make that commission as well. But my whole point is that, people need traffic. People need are always looking for low cost traffic as well. So yeah, this is my funnel. The business, email processing system, the marketing system, power lead system, and the traffic source, MLM, ROD, and these ad space. That is my funnel. This is what I'm doing for 2018. Everything else, I'll cut the fat. I cut things that had auto ships, things that they just don't serve me anymore. Things like that. And I love these programs because email processing system and the power lead system, they both have proof groups. So when people wonder, does this work? I don't have to try to convince people. I just simply add them to the proof group and let the conversion happen from there. That's another reason why these are part of my instant cash strategy for 2018. Now, the last part of my instant cash strategy is Bitcoin. For a long time, I kind of held off on getting on in Bitcoin, and I don't, I'm still learning. But I know that I want this to be part of my generational wealth strategy. So, this is going to be my primary funnel, the biz, the marketing system, and my traffic. But on the back end, I will be investing in Bitcoin as a generational wealth strategy so that I could build wealth for myself and for generations to come. And, I have this affirmation here. I found this online, but it says, I am a legacy hacker. I define my own destiny. I create generational wealth. I focus on slaying my goals. I empower others to prosper. I work hard and I play hard. I am creating an epic life so that I can leave an epic legacy. And then there's also the generational wealth pledge for Black families, because I'm Black, y'all. See, y'all might not be able to see. I don't know. But, so that is what I am doing. That is my instant cash strategy. So if you would like to learn more about any of these, about the programs that are in my instant cash strategy, I will post links below so that you can learn more about the email processing system, power lead system, and my traffic sources, MLM, ROD, and these ad space. Just, powerful. And then as I get into Bitcoin, I'll be sharing my journey with Bitcoin as well. So I hope this was of value to you so that you understand my instant cash strategy, you understand what I'm promoting, and when you see my emails or you see me on the web and you're like, well, what is she talking about? These are the programs that I'm talking about. These are the programs that are part of my instant cash strategy. And other people can come in and create the same funnel for themselves because it works. Email processing system on the front end, where you can get $25, $50, and $100 commissions, the marketing system, power lead system, all right, and then the traffic. Together, that is a winning funnel, all right? So that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube, and I hope this was of value to you. Bye, guys.